Hello, hi everyone. So if you are facing some issues with your ventilation, it's might be causing because of the ventilator resistor. I have purchased a second one, like a spare part, and the symptom it's actually like if you turn your heater from 1 to 3, it doesn't do anything, and at position once you turn to the 4th, then it is blowing. It might be that the internal contacts of that small piece of resistor, of that couple of dollars or couple of euros of component, it's failing, and in today's video we will replace it. What you have to do is there is that holder, and you have a couple of screws here, there and there, and we had to unscrew it. There are some 3 additional holders at the bottom, here, there, in the middle, and at the left and right hand side. So I will remove those ones as well. So the tricky part is, once you have removed that 3 bottom from there, the middle and that side, there are some additional screws, surprisingly, under that plastic cover, which is that, there, and there is the last one. So we have to remove those ones as well. So I have removed the first one, and this is a T20 one what you have to remove. You can easily remove with the 15th one. So yeah, I have used the T20 and actually the T15, and for the last one I will for the last couple of screws I will use the T20, because it's a better fit and you can't screw the screw. And after then we can reach to the sensor location, which is somewhere here inside at that corner. I'm expecting we will find it over there. So let's repeat. We had 3 screws at the top, we have 3 additional for that piece of plastic cover, and 3 more to remove the hand glove. Once this is done, you should be able to easily take it out. Oh, so I have decided I won't remove the airbag. I will just leave it and put it aside, since I can leave it there. If once the hand glove is removed, you can see some isolation foam. I will take out the foam. You would be able to see the ventilator, and let's find the heat resistor. Somewhere inside there should be a 4 cable pin, so here is the fan, and there are some cables. That's the door part, and if you check somewhere at the top corner over there, if you look deeply inside, there is the resistor. So yeah, let me try to reach it. It's hard to reach with hand. It's advisable to remove those cables from the top corner, and then you would be more easy to reach that piece. It will be hard to pull out, and let me try to pull it out. So one small tip, once you can grab it, you can maybe rotate, and it would be easier to take it out from there, since it has some blocker on the middle position. It would be easier to take it out. So let me try my luck. We'll be back in, actually let me try. Yeah, it's easier. So if you twist it, you can see already it's wackling. So like I can lift it up, You really don't have too much space over here. And voila, here it is. So we have the old one and we have the new one, same brand, and actually that looks good. I'm really wondering if that was the problem. Let me pull out the old one. This looks actually pretty good, and I would be surprised if this is the issue, but let's see. Should be this one. Plug in the new cable, turn on the engine,
Auto may start recording.
So this has been an issue. I will try to put it into place. It's almost there. If you see, it is visible. There is only one location. How can you pull out? So you have to twist it, and the cables are there. Why is that not okay? So it is in the position, it is twisted. You have to press it a bit and twist it back. You have to be careful, those two with the two small angle. There is the cable, also you have to act on that, and it is on the position. I will put back the screws and show you the final results. So I won't be showing the screwing, since you know here, there, that. Here is the clips which is connecting with the glove holder with the close, and 6 more screws at the bottom, 3 for the glove holder and 3 additional for the plastic cover. And with that being said, we have removed the heat resistor. So we have successfully replaced that resistor, and now the result is that the fan is turning and works as per design. So if you believe that video were helpful for you, just in any kind of aspect, please hit the like button and the subscribe.